is like a McDonald's receipt. White trash that's covered in greasy creases. Keith doesn't have a twitch. He's just blinking his suicide note. Keith's girlfriend just adopted a 3-legged dog so she can prepare to take care of 2 slobbering animals with missing feet. Keith's lungs are so black, his mom fucked them for crack. Keith is an obese bisexual. You really put the gut in faggot. Jeanne is so white, her parents were Confederate statues. Leah looks like an old woman and the pigeon she's feeding in the park. Leah doesn't get booked on the road because when bookers watch her tape, she crawls through the TV screen and kills them. Isaac is what happens when you straighten out the paperclip from Microsoft Word. Kim dropped out of the University of Florida. Now she's just a gator because of that overbite. Kim's fucked so many athletes, she calls her abortions roster cuts. Kim gets a lot of advice from other headliners. Mostly it's use less teeth. Karlous is actually light-skinned. He just looks darker since he's stuck in Nick Cannon's shadow. Karlous spells his name weird. It goes Karluo, child support. You look like the Gerber dumpster baby. Connor got fired from Ross Dress for Less. That makes 2 Rosses who don't believe in you. Connor, if you ever kill yourself, just do it in your parents' kitchen. That way they'll have something hanging off their fridge they can be proud of. You look like the only guy with child porn on a Boost mobile phone. Pat's dad is a war hero, which Pat recently learned is not a sandwich. JP, you sentient piece of string cheese. JP went to Sandy Hook Elementary, which is why after every joke he tells, there's a moment of silence. Alex is from Baltimore, home of The Wire. Unfortunately for his parents, not home of the wire hanger. Alex has 2 dogs that are rescues, but his girlfriend's a hostage. Alex's headshot is just a sheet of sandpaper.
Say it again, I didn't hear it.
Alex's headshot is just a sheet of sandpaper.
Oh shit, bitch!
Frank's a huge fan of the Raiders. Refrigerators. That's right, guys. This chunky Mexicans really live in Velveeta Loca. When Frank's cousin died of an overdose, Frank became addicted to video games. It's just too bad you couldn't give him one of those extra lives.
Oh my God.
Tre was raised really privileged. He's so whitewashed, he thinks the projects are what you do to earn extra credit. You look like the bellhop at the Hotel Rwanda. The difference between Tre and I is that I have TV credits. Tre doesn't have enough credit to buy a TV. Tom, you look like you tried to make black people move to the back of the short bus. Tom has so much emotional baggage, it's illegal to leave him alone at the airport. Tom was in so many psych wards in high school, he got a varsity straitjacket. Jeff, you white supremacist softball coach.
Where's that team play?
Jeff, you look like you moved from your mom's basement into your wife's basement. Jeff looks like
like if he loses this battle, he's gonna turn this minivan right around.
Kelsey used to date a homeless guy. He really liked it, it's true. He really liked it because her vagina reminded him of his old tent's flaps. That vagina's so big they shouldn't call her Kelsey Lane, they should call her Kelsey Highway.
Dan is a one-liner comic. He's one line away from relapsing and dying under an overpass.
Girls hate hooking up with Dan because when they try to spoon, he sets them on fire. Dan just lost 30 pounds, but he'll never lose the crushing weight of knowing he got his brother addicted to heroin.
Oh my God, is that real?
Give it up for Leonardo, please, Claprio. Make some noise for him. Kevin is right. My ex is an actress who tried stand-up comedy, and battling or dating her was great training for this battle because I'm amazing at wrecking unfunny pussies. Kevin is such a douche. He was born on Summer's Eve. Kevin looks like he perpetuates rape culture and vape culture. Sarah's been working with horses her entire life, which is why she does her makeup like a rodeo clown. When Sarah was 14 years old, she dated a 25-year-old camp counselor at the horse camp she worked at. You know, it's like the old saying goes, if you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him stop fucking teenagers. Now, according to the law, what happened to Sarah was statutory rape, but Sarah thinks it's consensual because at horse camp they don't teach you that nay means nay. Now, Sarah's first boyfriend is in prison for producing child pornography. Good news, Sarah's not in any of the videos. Bad news, it's because she was recast. Sarah is a white trash basic bitch, which means her favorite food is gluten-free cousin dick.
That's all I'm saying.
We gotta wrap this up. It's past midnight. Paige is already turning back into a pumpkin. Paige, I hate your voice. I wish you kept the one that you stole from The Little Mermaid. They say the camera adds 10 pounds. I say, Paige, stop eating cameras.